I see your Lordship's indulgence. Well, Your Lordship, item 3 and item 7, Lordship. These matters are listed today, but I have some personal difficulty. My neighbor passed away this morning, and the funeral is at 1 o'clock. So, if I may be permitted to attend the funeral, so if these matters may come up after a week.
May I please your Lordship?
Yes,
Am I audible, my Lord?
yes.
Your Lordship, as I understand the condition of my colleague, what he is saying, I have got no objection, but I want to make one point clear. This matter pertains to
Which
an
one?
issue.
Which one? Item number 3?
Item number 3.
Item
Item
three.
number 3.
Yes.
Item number 3. This matter pertains to a very important issue, is that a person is occupying 2 offices, which is against the spirit of the constitution and the schedule. So this matter could not be taken up on numerous occasions because of the fact that Honorable Justice Marley is sitting in the Aizawl bench. So the matter could not be coming up in, the issue comes up, but the matter cannot be posted.
Now, what is your
Right.
prayer?
So your Lordship, what I am suggesting is that the AG is also there and my colleague is also there. Let us fix the matter on a particular date where the concerned bench is there. Because we don't know, because we want to take up this matter and it is getting delayed with every passing day.
Just to answer
In
my
fact,
learned,
my lord,
just to
and in
answer
fact,
my
my
learned
lord,
friend out there, the matter
And
has
in
been
fact, my lords,
delayed.
I am appearing for the state
Yes.
respondents.
Yes,
The
Mr.
matter was due to be listed since the last 3 months. And on various occasions, the matter got adjourned due to some reason or the other.
Yeah,
So let us
regarding that, if I may answer
Let
that,
us state, my lords.
the matter was adjourned on a number of occasions due to my learned friend's prayer for filing a reply affidavit to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 10. In the end, they stated that no, we will not be filing it.
No, it's a matter of question of law. Why should I
So
file
no,
an
then why
affidavit
did they
of
take
reply?
time to submit a
No,
reply
that is-
affidavit?
that
I
is-
mean,
that has
the
been
delay was
cleared
due to
by-
them.
No, that has been
Okay,
cleared in the
well-
last occasion. One was presided by Justice Suman Syam.
So that is why number of occasions it has been delayed due to them, not due to us.
No, it has never been delayed. It has never been delayed on the part of the petitioner. Let us not be trying to mislead the court, please.
Yes, whether matter is ready for hearing.
We are ready for hearing, my lord. The
So-
problem is what
so-
is
So
there,
listen, Mr. Borgohain,
my lord.
it is in admission column. We'll admit it, we'll fix it for hearing.
Your lordship, fix the matter when with the roster, because your lordship
We
will be
don't
knowing
know
about
about
the
roster. How will we know about roster? Do you
My lord,
know?
I believe the AG is also here. If we can take it up in a, let me propose it, subject to the Honorable Lalit AG is also there.
Yes.
The matter is of very serious ramification. It
No,
is
no,
being in
we
the state
know
of
that,
Gujarat.
we know that. You
The
suggest,
lordship can take up this, let the lordship send this matter to the principal seat. So
No.
there is an abundance of benches that it can be taken up.
Why don't you come down here? We can have
I have
the
no
next
objection,
on the
madam.
next day.
I believe
Why
AG
should
is no
every matter
objection.
be transferred to the principal
Mr.
seat?
Borgohain, today the issue is whether to, you concede with the prayer of adjournment on the ground shown by Mr. Malhotra.
Because of the reason cited by my friend, I have got no issue. But if your lordship can
You suggest,
take our apprehensions in fact,
you
My
suggest,
yes, they
Let-
can propose a date.
you suggest what is to be done?
is it, sir,
Yes,
what is
Mr.
will be
AG.
your convenience, sir?
Is it possible to fix it up for next week?
Next week.
Or can we take it up from tomorrow, your lordship? Let us,
No,
let
tomorrow,
us,
tomorrow,
let us initiate the matter, my lord.
Tomorrow I am preoccupied, please.
Tomorrow my sister has difficulty.
At 2 p.m., my lord, at 2 p.m.
When?
Tomorrow at 2 p.m., my lord.
No, we have some difficulty.
Can it be
Monday
taken up
will
on Monday?
Monday, 2 p.m.
Can
Monday
we
the
take it up
bench
on
will
Monday,
not be
please?
available. Justice Wangkung, whether she can take it up.
She
She cannot take it up. Though she has not passed any
So
order,
if-
my colleague at the bar, when he approached the registry said that Honorable Justice Marley won't be able to take up this
So
matter.
it has to be after 1 week. Let us see which roster is available after a week.
Otherwise, let it be transferred to the principal seat, taking out all the facts into consideration.
I have no objection.
I have
I have no
I have
objection.
serious objection to it being transferred.
He can appear through VC. I am appearing
So
through
you're,
VC.
you're appearing on
Because there are
VC, so let
VC.
it be fixed on a date.
Because
and you
there
can
are
appear
so
on
many
VC.
benches there,
This is
So
a
many
matter
benches are
pertaining
there,
to
madam.
ISOL bench.
it can
On
be
the
taken
next
up
court
for
date,
any
It
bench.
can be
It is
taken up.
very
It can be
convenient for
taken
you
up.
to appear through
It
VC.
can be taken up.
Yeah, so on the next court date, as you are appearing today, you can appear through VC again. This is a matter pertaining to ISOL bench.
So what?
So,
So what? The issue
as
is
soon-
more important.
You kindly
It's not a question of
propose a
ISOL
date.
bench or Kohima
You kindly
bench.
propose
It's a
a
matter
date
of
and we
having
can
a
have it.
legal ramifications.
If you kindly propose a date, we can have it on that date.
If you are done with your arguments, I can pass on.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. S. Borgohain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Dev, learned
Vishwajit Dev.
Mr. B. Dev, learned Advocate General Mizoram. And Mr. A. R. Malhotra, appearing for respondent number 10. Miss Fumble, you are also appearing.
He is assisting me.
Miss
B.
Linda,
Chakma is also there. B. Chakma.
Miss Linda Fumble is assisting me, my lord.
okay. Okay. AG has also. Learned Mr. A. R. Malhotra, learned counsel for the respondent number 10, prays for an adjournment on the ground that there is a bereavement in
My neighbor passed away.
of his neighbor, and he has to attend the funeral today, and he prays for listing this matter after a week. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Borgohain, submits that the matter issue involved in this PIL is very important, and though the matter is ready for hearing, the hearing could not be taken up as the available bench in the ISOL, available judges in the ISOL bench, within bracket Mrs. Justice Marlier Wangkung, cannot take up this matter. Hence he prays for transferring this matter to principal seat. We have considered the submissions. He however has no objection to the prayer for adjournment made by Mr. Malhotra. Learned Advocate General also raises no objection to the prayer for adjournment made by Mr. Malhotra.
Adjournment and transfer of the case to the principal seat.
He also does
I have no
not.
objection.
He also does not opposes the prayer for transfer of this PIL to the principal seat. We have considered the submissions made by learned counsel for both the sides. Since this matter is ready for hearing, it is admitted, the PIL is admitted for hearing. Let this matter be listed after a week on a date to be fixed by registry.
My lord, may kindly give us a fixed date.
Give us a fixed date, my lord.
Give us a fixed date, my lord. Let it be on 30th,
Suggest.
if it is possible and convenient for all.
When?
30.
On 30th of June,
Okay.
if it is convenient for all.
Okay, let this matter be listed on 30 June.
I don't know why my learned, but 30th of June is a holiday.
Oh,
Up to,
Then, my lord,
it has to
after
be,
8th July.
if it has to be after 4th of July.
Then, my lord, after 8th July, I have some personal inconvenience.
Let it come up on 14th or 15th.
15th. Let this matter be listed on 15th of July.
If I may propose, if your lordship, if I may propose something, if my lords, can I propose a particular fact, my lord?
Yes, we are fixing it on 14th because the Justice Wangkung would be available here till next 2 weeks. So after that, her roster might change,
Yes.
and therefore we are fixing it on 14th. What do
If
you
an
want?
observation is also made in respect, I believe all of us are there, if an observation is made that because of that availability of bands, if the condition persists again, then on that day a call may be taken for transferring it to the principal. If that observation
I'm
is
not agreeing
there.
to that.
No, no.
I'm not agreeing to that.
No need of making such observation. List it on 14th.
I'm obliged.
And in item number 7,
Obliged, my lord. Sir.
I'm obliged.
Yeah.
item number 7, heard Mr. A.R. Malhotra, who is appearing for the respondents.
My lord,
Okay.
we are for the AMC respondent number 7.
AMC has submitted the report
Yes, my lord,
today.
today morning.
Copy me.
You take the copy. This is your IA. So
Yes, Your-
if you are seeking
Yes.
adjournment, we will fix it.
After a week, after the vacation, then
The
copy me.
Mr. You have filed the affidavit.
No, my lord.
You submit that.
I have submitted the joint report.
No,
Record. वही नाम ही सब.
क्या लिखा? A.R. Malhotra. Also at Miss Linda, you are there?
Yes, Your Lord. I'm for the state response.
And
My lord, let this be report be submitted by way of affidavit, my lord.
Linda L. Farmwell, learned additional AG appearing for the state respondent. Also heard Mr. For the petitioner is Joseph.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Joseph L. Rentley, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel for the Aizawl Municipal Corporation has submitted the report which was directed by order dated. Which order we the records will be released.
16/6, my lord. 16/6.
Order dated 16/6/2025. Let a copy of the report be also furnished to the learned counsel for the respondent number
10.
10. Considering the submissions made by learned Mr. A.R. Malhotra, this case is adjourned for today. Let this matter be listed after a week.
After the vacation.
After a week on a date to be fixed by registry. Keep this report in
My
record.
lord, my lord, will it be better if this report is submitted by way of an additional affidavit, my lord?
You participated in the
We were there, lord.
verification. They also participated
Because, my lord, we might also have to file a written objection also.
against the report.
Yes, against the report.
Okay.
So additional
The
affidavit.
the Aizawl the learned counsel for the AMC is directed to file an additional affidavit along with the report which is submitted by them today.
Motion, item 1.
ये तो सही से नहीं।
This is against rejection of remission. Notice is-
Nobody is appealing. Nobody is appealing for this. Matter second order. Yes, there is a list of legal.
Against remission, court can enter, no? Rejection.
No, हमने पढ़ी सही से नहीं remission early release बिसारी से नहीं
They have rejected because it is a heinous crime.
Any legal aid counsel present in the court? Anyone? What is your name? Emily L. Chante. Okay. This writ petition criminal has been registered on receipt of a petition by the convict, namely Kham Liana, who is presently serving out his sentence of life imprisonment. In the petition, in the writ petition, he has prayed for his early release as he has completed more than 14 years behind the bars. The petition has been forwarded to this court through the Special Superintendent, Central Jail, Aizawl. As the petitioner is not represented by any counsel, we intend to appoint one legal aid counsel to pursue the cause of the petitioner before this court in this writ petition. Accordingly, we appoint Miss Emily L. Chante as legal aid counsel for the petitioner in this writ petition. The registry is directed to to get a typed out copy of the petition which appears to be in the handwriting of the convict himself, and thereafter furnish all the relevant documents to the newly appointed legal aid counsel. Let this matter be listed after a week. You will appear.
Respondent is state, yes. We also have not.
Miss Linda L. Farmwell, learned additional AG, appears for the state respondent. She shall also be furnished with the relevant copies of the documents by the registry. List accordingly after a week.
Admission, item 2.
My lord, in item 2, we'll be filing our affidavit in the course of the day, my lord. We have
Today?
already served the copy to the other parties. Yes, your lordship.
Today?
Today.
Okay. Heard Miss item number 2, no?
Item 2.
Who is for the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
What's your name?
Rosalind Elmar.
Heard Miss Rosalind H. L. Mar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss Linda L. Farmwell, learned additional Advocate General, who submits that she shall be filing her additional affidavit during the course of the day. Miss Zairem Sangpui,
Respondent number 7, madam.
also learned CGC, appears for respondent number 7. We'll fix it after a week.
All right.
Let this matter be listed after a week.
Obliged, Lordship.
Orders, item 4.
Your Lordship, if Your Lordship may allow me to make a mention on item number 3, Your Lordship, the hearing item.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, in this, the leading counsel, Your Lordship, Mr. Victor Eralte, has been taking up this hearing case in the other court. So if Your Lordship may allow us to have this be listed in another week, after perhaps 2 weeks, I have informed the other parties.
What is your name?
My name is K. Venecia, Your Lordship.
K.
Venecia, I'm here on behalf of Mr. Victor Eralte.
Heard Miss.
And for the affidavit, Your Lordship.
Yes. Heard Miss K.
Venecia.
Vidisha,
Yes, Your Lordship.
submitting on behalf of Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the appellant, who prays for an adjournment on the ground that the conducting counsel for the appellant is on legs in another court. You are for the
State respondents.
Miss Caroline, learned government advocate, appears for the state respondent, who does not have any objection to the prayer made by learned counsel. Hence, the same is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Admission, item 1.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, the last order in this case has stated that the matter will be heard in respect of admission. But my humble submission is that, Your Lordship, if the matter can be taken up and then finally disposed of at this stage, instead of going for admission only. Even the similar matters have been decided, and I'll just take Your Lordship to the brief facts of the case.
Who is for the other side?
I'm appearing for the state respondents, 1 to 3.
You all are ready for final disposal?
It's up to Your Lordship.
The matter involved is simple.
Yes, what is the matter?
Lordship, the petitioners are the land owners, and their lands have been taken over and acquired for the purpose of construction of Indo-Myanmar border fencing and road. And Your Lordship, in connection with the word number 5 of 2007, that is in
How
respect,
many petitioners are there?
word number 5 of 2007,
No, how many petitioners are there?
petitioners are
961.
961. 961.
Everyone's land have been acquired.
Yes. It's along the Indo-Myanmar border for the
Okay.
purpose of Indo-Myanmar border fencing and construction of road along that.
The lands have been acquired and they have been displaced. And the connected award is award number 5 of 2007. In fact, I have just prepared a synopsis of the argument.
Yes.
Award number 5 of 2007 was pronounced on 12/10/2007, and the government approval for the said award was obtained and conveyed on 2/11/2007. Lordship, in this connection, may I take Lordship to the body of the award, which is at page 89. Draft award number 5 of 2007 is at page 89. The amount shown at page 90, the grand total is rupees 2,47,96,589. This is the draft award. The true type copy is there at page 91 and 92, Your Lordship. The names of all the landowners, the petitioners, at different locations, such as New Sachan. And
Where are the names?
the names are at page 93, Your Lordship. The name of village of New Sachan is at the top of the page, Your Lordship, page 93, New Sachan. Under the said village, 88 families are there.
How much land was acquired total? The area of land, Your Lordship? Yes.
Area of land which has been acquired has not been indicated here.
Then how the compensation?
Under para 3 of page 91, Your Lordship will see area of land. The area of land assessed are as given in the compensation statements. But in the compensation statements, the area of land has not been shown. Name of the landowners, pass number, amount. And the assessment in respect of other locations, if it can be from the amount assessed, it is at the rate of 6 rupees per square feet in respect of other places also. 1754.
No, in gist, what is your case?
175415. Your Lordship, they were given the compensation for the land. The petitioners have sought for payment of solicium and interest, which was not assessed along with this award.
Okay.
And
Interest under section 34.
under section 23(1)(a) and under section 23(2) of Land Acquisition Act of 1894. 1894 kalau Kelso.
Land Acquisition Act. Yes, Mr. Moa. Land acquisitions.
Land Acquisition Act 1894. There are 3 locations here: New Sachan, Terabonia, and Marpara South. These are the 3 locations, the 3 villages.
New Sachan, then
Terabonia. Terabonia.
where have you mentioned?
Terabonia is at 109, page 109. The list of landowners under Terabonia starts at page 109. Till 116.
And third one
And
is
from 117, Marpara South. 117. To 126.
all these lands were compensated by the common award of award number 5.
5 of 2007.
How many landowners were there in New Sachan out of 96?
New Sachan,
And Terabonia and Marpara South.
from New Sachan, Your Lordship, as per the list, 377.
And Terabonia? $377.
Yes. New Sachan,
But
377. Terabonia is $161.
And Marpara South?
Marpara South, petitioner Tom Hill. Marpara South, Lordship, it starts from 784 to 961.
So how much it comes? 423 or
Look at me. $178.
only 178?
Yes.
So who are the other? Because petitioners are total 961.
Yes.
Now you said that only 3 places land have been acquired. 376, 161 and 171. Total does not come to 960. Who are the other petitioners? So
Your
there are
Lordship,
some people whose lands were
If
not
I take a lordship to the number of the petitioners, the list of petitioners,
961.
Starting from serial number 12,
No, from the cause title it appears there are 961 petitioners. But the total which you have given just now does not come to 961, which means that there are some petitioners whose lands have not been acquired. So this
such an idea.
what I suggest, we'll admit it and fix a date for hearing. Because
that may be
large
better.
number of petitioners have approached. You have to be clear about each of the petitioner.
Right.
In bunch, some may not get benefit because others have land. So there may be queries from the. Otherwise, what is your case?
My
That solatium and
Solatium interest
interest under 23 has not been.
23 1A and
But
section
this,
34.
but this total is not coming to 961. If only in 3 places land have been acquired, the total must come to 961. which-
I'll
that you have
verify
fixed.
it, Your Lordship.
So we are admitting it and
Your
fixing.
Lordship, may I take Your Lordship to the assessment sheet. If Your Lordship peruses page 93, 93 includes eighty-eight families. 93, 94, 95, 88 families. And from 96,
No. You have to come prepared. You have to be prepared with every query which court may pose.
yes, right.
So the first query is how the petitioners are aggrieved. They must be having land which has been acquired by the government for construction of Indo-Bangladesh border. But this, and you have submitted that in this case land pertaining to only 3 places are involved.
Yes. But here, Your Lordship, at page 96, Your Lordship will see, I have missed out these 377 families. 377 families are there at page
No,
96.
377 of New Sachan.
New Sachan.
That you have mentioned. 377 and New Sachan.
No, New Sachan,
161 of Terabunya and 171 of Marpara South.
New Sachan, there are two two lists. The first list is 88, and the second list is of 377.
Still it will be less than 961.
And there are two lists in Teraboni also. 70 families plus 161. As per the list, starting from 109, there are 70 families. And the same location, that is Terrabonia,
Still it will be less than 961.
at 111, there are 161 families.
No, these are the basic facts which has to be very, very clear before we proceed.
And at page 117, there are 88 families. The first list and the second list includes 178 families. So I think all this will make up the number of petitioners.
No, that you have to convince. You have to put a sheet that out of 961 petitioners, petitioner number 1 to 161 have land in Terrabunya, they have land in Marpara.
All right, right.
Then we will proceed further.
Okay.
We can do one thing, we can admit it and fix it.
Fine.
Heard. Mr. I forgot your name. Yes. Where is the order sheet? I'm very poor in remembering names.
Mr. Sila Ramzao.
Yes, C. Lal Ramzoawa, learned senior counsel for the petitioners, assisted by Mr. Stephen. Right, complete name. Also heard Miss Caroline, learned government counsel,
Yes,
appearing for
Respondent number 1 to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, my lord.
Ms. Zairem Sangpui, appearing for respondent number 4, as well as Mr. T. Lalrun Siama, appearing respondent number 5. As the pleadings are complete, this writ petition is admitted for hearing. Let this matter be listed for hearing when? You choose a date.
After 2 weeks,
After 2 weeks.
after vacation.
After 4 weeks. After 4 weeks on a date to
All
be
right.
listed by registry. After 4 weeks. You take it back, your synopsis of argument.
All right.
Finish?
One item is still there.
Yes.
What happened? Okay. Admission item 2.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. A.R. Malhotra, the leading counsel for the petitioners.
Yes,
I have received the affidavit in opposition and can be listed for admission hearing, Your Lordship.
we'll admit it,
Yes, my Lord. Pleadings are completed.
fix it for hearing. Heard.
Yes, my Lord.
We'll list it for hearing. We'll
In the
admit the
usual
matter.
course, my Lord. Yes, my Lord.
Heard, miss. What is your name?
Leram Engmoy.
Be louder.
Leram Engmoy.
Lalram Bemoy.
Oh.
Learned counsel appearing for Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss Caroline, learned government counsel appearing for
Respondent number 1 to 39, my Lord.
respondent number 1 to 39. In this case, the pleadings are complete and therefore it is ready for hearing. List this matter for hearing after
After 3 weeks. my
after
Lord.
3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Synopsis halal.
Lekhabu polo mo. Lekhabu.